Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in today's video I'm excited to share with you that you can now add labels, also known as ribbons, to different products inside of your e-commerce store. This new feature will help you to increase product visibility. Labels and ribbons draw attention to specific products, making them stand out in a crowded online store. This new feature will also help you to enhance your marketing efforts. How so? Well, highlighting specific products with ribbons or labels can boost sales and attract customer interest. It is overall also an improved user experience because clear visual indicators will help customers identify key products really quickly. So let me show you how you can label your products in your e-commerce store. So first we want to go ahead and turn on the product label in a specific product. For this, go to Payments on the left, go to Products at the top, click Products, or create a new product. In this case, we're going to use an existing product. We're going to click on the three dots on the right, click Edit. Then this new page opens up, and under Product Information, we can enable it. So let's scroll down a little bit, and here's our little box. So let's just check mark Enable Product Label. Then here you can give your label a name. Let's say we call it Christmas Sale. You could call it Black Friday or Last Items or something like that. Actually, I like Last Items because it creates a sense of urgency and scarcity behind it. We can also set the visibility duration. So how long do you want this label, Last Items, to show up on your product? Let's say you only run a 3-day promotion. We're going to start today, right now. Let's hit confirm. And then we want to end in 3 days. Obviously, please note the end date has to be later than the start date. So this start and end date and time is based on your account's time zone settings. So make sure your time zone is set correctly. You can check this under settings and then business profile. So now let's hit save and let's have a look how it looks like in the online store. For this, let's navigate to sites on the left, websites at the top, and select your online store. Let's preview the product list. And here you can see our demo product, and you can already see that little label here, Last Item. Let's click on it, and at the checkout page you can also again see that label here, Last Item. And that's it already. This is how you add labels to your products inside of your e-commerce store. I hope you like this new feature, which will help you to effectively manage your inventory, because now you can easily mark overstocked or slow moving items in order to encourage sales. I will see you in the next video.